burrito bowl. I have Mexican rice, tomato salsa, sour cream, baked beans and some nachos. For the recipe of Mexican rice and salsa, I have shared the link below. So, to a burrito bowl, here it goes. Some Mexican rice will go at the bottom of the bowl. On top of it goes some baked beans. On top of it goes some salsa. Some sour cream in the center. And some nachos. Our burrito bowl is ready to eat. This is simple. You can do it, taste it, and definitely share your comments.